Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida, and welcome back to another video. So I've been waiting to make this video. I gave it a couple of weeks to make sure it worked, because last time they replaced the screen and they did the updates, nothing really worked. It went back to the old way later on. So finally, after the updates, they changed the screen. They told me, the Dodge dealership told me I had to unpair my phone from the truck because the phone is what's causing the problems, or certain apps. So I did that. Still had the same problems of turning off, freezing up, and then the temperature for the climate control don't show across the top. But finally, after keep going back repeated trips to the dealership, they decide to change the brain, which is a box, a computer box that's actually separate and different from the screen. So once they change that box, I've been riding for 2 to 3 weeks now, and I've had zero issues with my 12-inch display. I just wanted to make sure it was good to go and everything was working fine before I did the video and said, hey, this fixed it, and then something came up and it didn't work again. But as of right now, for the last couple of weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, it's been holding strong. Everything is where it's supposed to be. There's no glitches. I haven't had any freeze up. I hadn't have any. What other problems I used to have was the screen would just turn off on its own, go blank. Don't have any of those problems. The volume works. And then other times, the other issue that I had was the screen would freeze up, and I couldn't do anything. I couldn't change the temperature. I couldn't do anything screen related. What the heck is that noise? Anything screen related. I don't know what that noise was. Something was hitting, like it was hitting on my windshield. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around and show you what I'm talking about.